Something else I like about this Patrol, reminds me of the 120. When you want to fold the seats, because the 150 is a different 150 Prado, you got to pull the seats forward and then fold that. 120s kind of fold and they just continue on and they go like that. That's how the 120 seats fold. It's like the bloody Patrols copied the 120 back from 2003. Anyway, good system. That's with the rear seats folded down as well. You can see they're not flat, and it's like and that's why they're going to get removed. Anyway, quick one, telling you a few things that I like about this setup. Once you've got a flat floor in there, that leaves a whole heap of room in the back if you haven't got people sitting in here. And obviously they would be easy to remove. Also, it'll be only a couple of bolts to get those out, just like a 120 Prado. But it's not a 120 Prado. To put them back like that, and then just lift it up and it'll lock into position. And you've got the adjustment on the side here to lay these a bit further back to whatever your comfort level is. Have a bit of a look here at the center console armrest thingamajig and your drink holders. Looks pretty comfy to me for a cruisy long trip.